2007 Honda Accord. I'm gonna replace the control arm, passenger side. First I open this the tire, then I open the tire rod. This is 17 millimeter and Kara key. Take the 17 millimeter off, then you can move freely this. There's a 17 millimeter right here. So I take it off with this. You need really heavy gun with, or you can heat it up. When you heat it up, it will come easily. On the other side, you have to hold with 170 millimeter on this side and open from the other side like this. So then I'm going to take this Kara key right there for the ball joint.
I have to heat it up, this 24 millimeter nut. It's so rusty, so I need to heat it up. Heat it up is make easier to open.
So I open this 24 millimeter. Then to take this off, just hammer it in here. It will come out. I'm not gonna take it right now because I'm gonna. You see this in the middle? This ball is holding control arm, so it will easy to open for you. This ball and this ball as well. So after I open this ball and that ball, then I will hammer it this, take this off, and I'll take the last one. I'll take this off the ball, this one. So this is like holding all thing. And after that I have to open this swivel link. You see this little swivel link, we have to open that from here. So this ball is 17 millimeter right there. So I'm gonna heat it up other side. You see the other side, I heat it up so I can open from this side because the nut in here, the welded. So if you have a heat it up. If you don't have heat, just put this and hammer it right here. See, after I heat it up, it's open easily. See, this bolt is out. Okay, now I'm gonna heat it up in here. So this is the nut is welded, but we need to heat it up in here. So this is, be careful. You see this? There's a wire in here, so be careful. Be careful. Just use bungee cord or something with the wire right there. Then heat it up the nut. So this is the 19 millimeter ball. Take it up from here. It's 19 millimeter. Just heat it up, and with 19 millimeter socket, just open it up. I'll take it off from here. See this side, and other side is right there. I'm gonna take this ball out, then I can take the controller. This long ball came out. You have to couple tab. The whole things came out. Ball joint. See, it is separate now. Now we need to open this one side right here. If you want to change this, to change it, this I'm gonna heat it up again. This 14 millimeter nut. Heat it up. 14 millimeter. So tap it right here with the hammer. 14 millimeter and T30 till go inside. Okay. So I opened this already. This is the new one. T30 and hold here, and after that tie this nut. Then it's not gonna spin whole thing. That's why, like, you have a group right there. See this to hold this. So there's no room to put this in here. See this? I don't have enough room because of this touching this. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. It's 315, I think. So I'm gonna use that Allen key to hold it. One hand I hold this and tie it up. Or if you have somebody, just take a help to hold this. Hold this. and you tie it up like that. See this, I put it in already. That's all guys.